In our last video, we learned how individuals can help contribute to solve global environmental problems. But how exactly can we do this? Is there a particular plan of action? Yes, there is. It is called as the 3 R's and is quite well known. Do you know what the 3 R's are? First, let me tell you how you can save the environment by enacting the 3 R's. You can then name these words beginning with R. You go to a vegetable market. You happen to buy 4 different types of vegetables. Usually, you separate your vegetables in different bags to avoid the pain of separating them at home. Today, you decide to put all of them in one single plastic bag. Let us freeze the act here. What did you just do? Quite rightly, you reduced the number of plastic bags you actually take home with you. That's great because it would mean less non-recyclable waste in the environment. If you reduce the number of plastic bags you carry, you can reduce the production of it as well. Greater demand leads to greater production. You refuse, and lesser demand would be lesser production. Now, because you just could not refuse the plastic bag and you had to carry the vegetables home, you have one plastic bag. One bag, one non-biodegradable bag, which could harm the environment. And so what do you do next? To avoid taking a bag from the vendor, next time carry the same one to the market. What did you just do? Did you use the same bag once again? Yes, of course you did. Let us now guess the second R. Reuse. That's the second R. Now, after a few days, the bag you have been reusing over and over again unfortunately develops a hole. That means you cannot use it anymore. What is the solution then? Throw it in a dustbin? No, you can recycle the plastic bag. Send it to the factories that will melt the plastic and make a new one out of the same material for you again. Plastic then would first be reduced, reused, and finally recycled. This would ensure no new plastic is made, and slowly we will help protect our earth. As individuals, we can do a lot for our environment. All we need to do is follow the 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. What would happen if we do not follow these 3 R's? Fair enough, we produce new materials. Then why is production bad after all? Mainly because of 2 reasons. To produce something, we extract the natural resources. Extraction from the environment at an unbelievable pace can damage the environment. For example, mining causes holes in the Earth's surface, and this damage must then be repaired. What happens after we use the produced materials? True, we generate a lot of waste. Now we must dispose this waste off. Both repair and disposal are major challenges, and if not done properly, can damage the earth, our home. It is therefore necessary to avoid production and keep the earth as untouched as possible. We have produced enough to recycle and live a good luxurious life. In our next video, let us look at the present state of our forests.